I'm Amy Blackburn. I work for South Central AV. I'm the Director of Sales. I've been with them for 4.5 years and actually started as an outside sales rep. A great tool that our company has given us is the Selling Skills Assessment tool. It gives me a very specific and individual perspective for each of the salespeople I have under me. What that's allowed us to do is measure where all the outside salespeople are as far as their sales cycle. Once everyone took that, we had a benchmark of where actually everybody was before our training. Then what we had is the customer-focused selling seminar. It gave me a roadmap and a lot more confidence when going out and working with them rather than hit and miss on everything and trying to target the whole sales cycle at one time. It allowed me to create a specific plan for them step by step. Let's work on stage one. If your opening is what your weakest link is, let's work on that. Let's improve that, and then we can move on to the next area of improvement. Because if you look at it, even improving the opening stage of just gaining the appointments, you're going to be that far ahead if you just work on that one skill. So it's been a huge way for me to work with the team with a plan. It's a nice investment for us for the future that you can definitely see dividends from. It would be hard to say, okay, here's the bottom line of dollar for dollar where it would improve, but I've definitely seen improvements. And I feel that the company obviously feels we're worth investing in using this tool to move forward and increase our sales and productivity.